Nano, Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out. For today's vlog, we were invited by K Residence located dito sa Villa Sol, Angeles City, and check out my background. So that's going to be our pool for today, and later on pasok tayo, papakita ko yung titirahan natin for tonight. Let's go! Take a look at our sofa. Notice the design, yung finish natin. This is actually velvet. Ayan, velvet. Another velvet cover. Yung ating bar is velvet. Look at that. Nice one. So, ilan ang rooms natin?
May 3 rooms pero kaya niya ng mga 15. Kasi yung hanggang 15 packs kasi yung pinaka-maximum namin.
So, 3 rooms.
Oo.
Mostly, tig 5, no? So,
Hindi, kasi like this one.
this
malaking
is...
room. Pang-family talaga, sharing sila. Then we have extra mattress just in case.
Ang laki ng room na to.
Ito pang couple room.
Okay.
Gusto nila ng privacy.
Pero same pa rin yung concept, no? Gagaling ng mga finish ng ano natin. Velvet.
Dito dalawa siya.
Bed. Okay. Ang galing. Parang naka-hotel, no?
Yes, yun talaga ang thing.
Pag-usapan natin yung price. Magkano yung ano natin dito?
The price is for one night, it's 15,000 for 10 packs po.
Okay.
Extra charge for at least per person is 1,000. Pero ang kaya namin capacity is 15 packs lang talaga kasi the same time ayaw namin mas crowded yung place.
Tama. Pare-pareho lang ba yun during weekends and holidays?
Same. But sometimes we consider during weekdays may discount.
So mas bababa pa yun?
Bababa sila.
Weekdays?
Pag weekdays.
Thank you.
Welcome po. Sana mag-enjoy din kayo.
Of course, mag-enjoy kami. So, paano naman yung ano? How do they book it?
You can book via Airbnb or you can check our website. In Facebook, we have also.
Is good?
Yes. Fire.
Fire?
Because it's
Face
to fire.
Sama-sama ang serving spoon.
Right. First meal of the day. Ito yung nire-request ko kanina. Meron pala tayo. What is this, Mama Jo?
Asado.
Asado. Chicken asado.
Chicken barbecue.
Barbecue. Ilan?
Marami na gata.
Gata.
Gata seafood.
Alright! Whoa! What is up? Grabe! The time is around almost 10 p.m. and gusto ko pang mag-swimming. Ayan guys, so kung kikita nyo, swimming yung mga bata and kasama ng aking mami. Yan, pero bago yun, kain muna ako. Pardon my sunglasses, medyo napasarap yung tulog namin kagabi. Well, anyway guys, so this is how it looks like during the morning, yung pool natin. Anyway, so if you're interested to know more about this, please check out the fan page we're gonna be including in the caption and the number you need to call. Mga early bookings, may mga discount. They get a discount from the management. So yeah, so this is K Residence dito po sa Angeles City, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye!